Please raise your hand, leave a comment below, just let me know if I'm not the only one who had no idea that these Athena cast wishbone charms existed. I guess we're going completely in on the Thanksgiving, November, fall theme with this box. Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and today I'm going to be opening one of the Potomac Beads monthly subscription bead boxes. We've done quite a few in the past, and this is for November of 2024. So let's get into it and see what is in this one. So this is the Treasure Edition one. It comes in a subscription that you can get monthly, quarterly, or annually. If you're a beader or a crafter that likes to embellish with beads, these are a great way to check out beads and see what you like and experiment. And hopefully find some inspiration. Let's turn it around. The boxes have a magnetic closure on them. And every month they have a theme for the box. This one looks like a golden hour shadows is their theme. There's also a description of all the things included on the card that they put in the box. So we'll take everything that's in here out and look at it close up. And there's a strand of 3mm faceted round gemstones. They're definitely in an earthy fall feeling mix of colors. And if you like orange, then this is definitely a very bright and colorful orange. They're check glass bicone rondelle beads. Once again, I think these pretty beads give me a feeling of Thanksgiving and fall. I'm going to grab one of my beading needles here so we can pull out some of the beads and look at them close up as we go along. These are called check glass petal beads. They're calling this a purple. It must be an extremely dark purple. There's 4 of these 18mm check glass faceted rounds. They're a very heavy bead, and they have a chrome swirl finish on it. In this strand here of check glass rondelles, and a tube of pale gold Azuki seed beads in the size 11. And there's 2 Bead Tech wooden pumpkin charms. These are a laser cut wood form. 3 by 4mm curb chain. And a strand of the Potomac pearls. They're a 4mm in olive gold. And the 2-hole iris duo bead. This is a zinc iris color. It's a mix of a gunmetal gray and bronze look together. And 7mm check flower beads. These 9mm check lentil beads. And these are a smooth check rondelle, 3 by 6mm. And there's some eyeglass bands. They're just simple silicone eyeglass bands, but if you wanted to try making something with them and didn't have any, you would have a couple in your stash to play with. And the check flat cube beads, they're in a 6 by 7mm size, a metallic burgundy. Not everything is going to be beads. Sometimes you get supplies. They have these slip and snip scissors. They're pretty stiff. There. Okay, there we go. And there's these 2 Athena cast hollow filigree charms. They're a size 10mm. I hope you enjoyed looking at the contents of this month's subscription box from Potomac Beads, and I wish you a beautiful day.